I was on the HUL interview panel that selected Shiv. Shiv advanced steadily in the organization, having held several roles in sales and marketing functions. His last role was as Vice President Hair Care, while also supporting Kimberly Clark Lever. He has been a CEO for half of his career, first with Nokia and later as chairperson and CEO with PepsiCo. Over the years, Shiv has grown in stature and blossomed as a leader and as a management thinker. He has left an indelible mark as a coach and mentor for his people, the distribution trade, and the business community at large. After a long and successful innings, Shiv moved to Aditya Birla Group 3 years ago as Group Executive President, Corporate Strategy and Business Development. For Shiv, his coaching style is part of his leadership style. And this was evident even during my Unilever days, when he was rated highly as an internal faculty member and facilitator in our marketing and leadership development programs at Gulita, the company's management training center. Among the many fine qualities that I admire in Shiv, what impresses me the most is his deep passion for collaborating with people's success. He has a friendly and approachable leadership style, always visible and available, and is a strong advocate for a culture of openness, transparency, and trust. Shiv is also well known for his learning agility. He is a non stop learner who is continually evolving. Moreover, he loves sharing his learnings and insights through his writings, especially his book summaries that many corporate leaders eagerly wait almost every month. I'm delighted to learn that he has chosen a topical theme, career choice, resolving 10 career dilemmas for extraordinary success, as his latest book project. It's a compendium of his deep reflections on a number of people and career related issues based on his years with a few of the most admired companies. I'm sure both the neophytes and veterans will find immense value in this new publication. And I wish Shiv all success.